Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Face ID on iPhone 17 Pro doesn't recognize your face correctly. So in such case, let's reset up the Face ID for your iPhone. In order to do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode menu and open it. Of course, provide your passcode to access this menu. Now, before we add a new Face ID, we're gonna need to go right here and select Reset Face ID option. And then we can set up a new Face ID by tapping right here. But before you do that, make two important changes. The first one is wiping the surface of the frontal camera on your iPhone using a dry towel or a microfiber towel if you have one. Then once you're ready, also adjust the lights in your room so that you can clearly see yourself in the camera. And once you're ready, tap Get Started and look directly in your phone's camera. Position your face within this frame. Wait for a while, and then you have to move your head to different sides until your Face ID is fully set up. If you want to set up Face ID with a mask, then tap this select this option first. If first option. If you don't want to do this, select the second option. Okay. And now, to make sure that the changes are applied, you have to turn your iPhone off. In order to do this, press the power button and the volume down button for a while until you see this menu on your screen, and slide to power off. Wait until your device is switched off, and then we're gonna need to turn it on again by pressing the power button for a couple of seconds. I only want to do this so that we can make sure that the changes are applied, and after that we're gonna check how the face recognition scanner works after we do that. So now once your device is turned off, hold down the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen, and then release the power button and wait until your iPhone is switched on. And once your iPhone is restarted, let's enter the passcode as it is required after your iPhone restart, and now we can check how the Face ID works now. So lock your phone by pressing the power button, and now let's try to unlock it using our face. Look directly at the camera. Okay. Okay, this time we have to re-enter the passcode again. Okay, and as you can see, it worked well for the first time, for the second one, and the third one. So the tests are complete. This feature is working properly for me now, and I hope that it does for you too. And if it does, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I will see you in the next one.